Top 5 Best Personal Misters. Vertical bar. Best way to get rid of mosquitoes. The 5 best personal misters. When the temperature begins to rise, staying cool becomes increasingly important. One of these personal misters can cool your skin enough to stay comfortable when lounging by the pool, exercising, gardening, or hiking. These handheld options come in a variety of designs to meet various needs, and can also make outdoor events, like concerts, games, and picnics, much more enjoyable. When users buy our independently chosen editorial recommendations, we may earn commissions to help fund the review parks. Best belay devices. Best belay devices for climbing rock walls. Number 1. Extremis 2-in-1.
And ready to go in 2 adjustable sizes. It comes complete with our PCS pump, wireless variable speed remote control, and hydration reservoir for misting and drinking. Easy to fill on the go. Just unzip the main pocket on the backpack, open the insulated reservoir cover, and just add water. The jaw pack is a refreshing way to cool you off when you're out in the heat hiking trails, jogging, cycling, or just getting exercise. The Extreme Mist PCS Just Add Water Pack is your complete hydration and misting backpack for all your outdoor activities.
Number 2. Hand Fan Portable. Crazy sale. Number 3. Orbit Flex Cobra.
The heat keep you indoors. Bring the power of evaporative cooling to any spot in your yard. The Flex Cobra by Orbit is a flexible mist stand that connects to any garden hose and can be perfectly positioned to provide a cool, refreshing mist which will lower ambient temperatures up to 20 degrees. It includes 3 brass and stainless steel mist nozzles that are capable of covering up to 4 square feet. So whether you're gardening, sunbathing, or just relaxing.
Number 4. Jisoo Life Handheld Mini Fan. Crazy. Number 5. Tripole Mini Handheld Fan. Crazy sale.